Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll review my new shoes, the Valenitno Romain Stud Ankle Pumps in the color called Feminine. They are sort of like this Barbie pink color and the heel height is 80 millimeters. Let's look at the shoes. The stud of the shoes are much bigger than the normal rock stud version of before, and the gold tone is sort of this vintage gold color. Here's the buckle, and I love this Valentino V logo gold stamp. The toes of the shoes are very pointed and they look very sexy on your feet actually. And I love the heel heights, they're not too high. For the sizing, I have very wide foot, so for people who have wide foot, this is true to size. If you have narrow foot, you might want to size down by half a size or keep your same size for more comfortable fit. And I love pairing my shoes with my Chanel classic flap bag and also this cute jewel hook card holder. If you want to know more about the card holder, you can look at my previous video with the link here. That's it for my review today of the shoes. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!